Hello and welcome to Mastering Selenium WebDriver 3.x course. My name is Dmitry and I am test automation engineer with 6 years of test automation experience using Selenium and about 10 total years in QA. I love my job, love QA and test automation, love learning new things and love to share my experience through online tutorials. Let's take a look at what we will learn. This course will consist of 6 sections. We will start from nothing and will create basic test in first section. In section 2 we will look at WebDriver architecture and will start expanding our project. We will be interacting with different web elements using web element interface. In section 4 we will learn advanced Selenium techniques, how to deal with alerts, windows, frames. We'll set up and run cross-browser tests on Selenium Grid and we'll look at real-life example of building test framework with Selenium WebDriver. This course assumes you already have QA experience, know HTML, XML, maybe have some basic programming skills or understanding of object-oriented programming concepts. You also should have Java Development Kit and Maven installed on your machine in order to run tests. I will be using Eclipse for coding, but if you prefer IntelliJ or some other IDE, you are welcome to use it. All code developed during this course will be available on GitHub. You can pull or download it using this URL. So, let's start.